Yeah, so we are team Quick Dimension, and we have Bhubalan here, and it is Raj Kamal, myself Sridhar, and Bala and Kishore. So we are working on a project. The purpose of the project is there are different reports that are based on the health of an asset that are available, and for that we need an associated operators information also. We are trying to get that health information, we are trying to get that, and the wearable devices that we have commonly nowadays, we are trying to get that data over the Google services, and from there we are going to analyze the data, put it along that with the assets or assets information or the vehicles information, and see how the operations of an vehicle is getting affected by the health of an operator of that particular vehicle. And with that, we are going to come up with various analysis that we were actually trying to do that. So primary requirement that we had is that we have different different data already available with Trimble, and over that we need to add some more extra data to come up with some more dimensions to the existing data. So that's why we even named it as Quick Dimension. So we're trying to bring up some extra dimensions to the existing data that we have. So anyone else wants to say something?
Yeah, actually we have two pieces, like one is the mobile app part. So as Sridhar told, like we will have a wearable device where we collect the operator health data, like body temperature, blood pressure, everything. So we have built a sample mobile app specific to Trimble. So with the operator ID you will log in. So from the gateway side it will just pull the data from the whatever the wearable device has reported. Like all those data will be analyzed with respect to the asset data. Something like when diagnostic event fault happens, like we'll just compare with the operator health, like what is going wrong, like is there any physically the operator was not good or something like that. So we have embedded with the different things, like we can analyze, since everything is a data, we can compare and come up with a lot of comparison. This is something new because we just compare only the asset health, but now we compare asset health with the operator health. So this is, we are bringing new dimension to the data. That's what we are doing on this.
Yeah. In a simple way, right, this is a new idea. So as the people said, so far we are tracking the asset health and asset history. This is the first time we are trying something with the operator information. So probably these two combination of the data will give you a good idea about how to use the asset in a better way.
So some of the use cases that we have actually come across is that if let's say the RPM of some particular asset is going high, and along with that the operator who is actually using that particular asset or vehicle, he needs to concentrate more, and as he concentrates more, his heartbeat may actually go up, his or her heartbeat may go up. So there is a limit that it should be very normal when he is operating that, and if it goes beyond a certain threshold, it is not really advised to go to that level. So those kind of things has to, if it has any negative or positive effect on that particular asset or asset's efficiency, that feedback can come back to the system, and it can actually give us more information about why that asset is effectively being used or not being used. The same way, like if asset is operating in one particular place, in the same way the operator is also supposed to be located nearby, but for some reasons he is not really, an asset is being operated, it is not really located nearby, it's not really roaming around. Such information can also be coming and giving us feedback. So along that line we can try to get that. And for some reason, if there is emergency is required, if there is another operator who is nearby available, those information feedback can come back to the system, and he can actually give a support to the existing operator for such kind of activities. that is a kind of information that we can derive and we can give feedback to the existing system that we have.
In a simple word, it's a fitness tracker for from Trimble for the person who is driving the asset or operating the asset.
That's all we have.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.